welcome back to another video. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me for more videos to come, and follow me on Instagram at theokaekaela. So today I'm going to walk you guys through my new deep conditioning routine because I finally got my hands on the Q Redew Hair Steamer. Now, in previous videos I showed you guys that, you know, I like to use heat when it comes to deep conditioning my hair because I have low porosity hair and it's really hard for me to get that hair mask or, you know, deep conditioning treatment in my cuticles of my hair because it's low porosity, it's close tight. So for me, heat, you know, usually works the best in terms of seeing results, and for me it's usually a feel result, or me seeing how my next hairstyle looks usually tells me if it did its job or not. Now, there's been numerous times where I put a hair mask in my hair and I don't really feel like it did anything. So like, not only did I just shampoo my hair, sit with a mask in my hair for, you know, 30 to 45 minutes, and I rinse it out and then feel like it did anything. You know, like, that's extremely frustrating. Now, if you guys watch my previous videos, I mentioned how I sit under the hair dryer, which I still occasionally do. It does work that way. I just kind of dread sitting under the hair dryer. You know, it just gets really hot and stuffy under there, and it's dreadful. So, you know, a new way is steaming your hair. Now, there are some over the head hooded type steamers, but this Q Redew handheld steamer is the truth. I've already used it 3 times, so I'm going to demonstrate how I use it. It has really changed the game for me. I even did a twist out on my hair recently and used that with like putting my leave-in conditioner in my hair and then, like, you know, letting that penetrate and get it into my hair, and then added a gel that normally gave me flakes and it didn't give me flakes, and I'm pretty sure it's because that steam like really helped the product get in my hair. So that's why I'm obsessed with this new tool. Like, this is a game changer. I'm going to leave a link in the description box down below for you guys to check it out, and special thanks to Q Redew for sending me this over to try out, because I'm so glad I got my hands on this. Like, you're gonna see me use this in like the next few videos to come because this thing is seriously the truth. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so my hair is pretty much shampooed. I shampooed it twice to be exact. Whenever I do my deep condition routines, I like for my hair to be like extremely stripped of like anything. I don't even use like the follow-up conditioner. Like, I just leave it bare pretty much. And the deep conditioner of choice today is the Nano Organics Rosemary Mint and Strengthening Hair Mask. This is like my favorite hair mask. I've already had a video on my channel using this before, but this just seriously smells so good and it feels so good because it has that mint tingling feeling on my scalp, and I just absolutely love it. So we're going to go with this. We're going to start off with this much. You know, it always says take a dime size. I'm going to use how much I need, okay? So I'm going to start off by just using praying hand motions just to kind of get it on all the strands. Go in to put more because we need more. And then I'm just going to kind of finger detangle. Now, I didn't really detangle in the shower, but I just wanted to show you guys how much easier it is to apply a product. Now, normally I would apply my product in the shower, but just to show you guys how much this product really does make detangling easy, that I don't even need my dimming brush. I can just simply use my fingers. And it smells so good. Like, this is the best part of deep conditioning hair. It just feels like you're pampering yourself. Alright, now that I have it pretty much, you know, distributed throughout my hair, I'm going to start using the steamer. So this is how it looks. And this is the compartment where where you put the water. So it looks like this on the bottom, and you put the water through this hole. Now, what I like to do is go ahead and put like warm water in it, and you have this little thing to like, it has a little, you know, little tube at the bottom to like really direct the water in there. I already have some more warm water in here because you're gonna see how each section I have to refill it up, because that's how much, or at least how long I leave the steamer on one section of hair. And then you have the little, I was about to say the little gun nozzle, like it's not a gun, Kaela. The little button where you press it, and we are going to see the steams. Boom. I don't know if you guys can see this. Let's see if I put the towel up. Can y'all see that steam? Ooh, there we go, you see it? And it's pretty hot, I will say that. So don't like put it directly on your scalp, cause like that'll burn, you know? But this is literally all I do. I just comb it through the hair. I love how it has its, you know, little fingers on here to comb through. I like to take little steady strokes like this to make sure it's really getting all the hair. Special thanks to Q Redew for gifting me this product. I'll leave the link down below for the hair steamer for you guys to purchase, and use the code MOISTURE10 for 10% off your purchase. Alright, so you'll know it's pretty much done when it stops steaming because it ran out of water. So I've already refilled mine back up, but just to show you guys what that section is looking like, it feels really, really, really good. So that's a good sign, and usually I could just like tell just from looking at it that it's pretty in there. So what I like to do is just braid or twist that section up and move on to the next section. So for each section, as I'm doing it, the indicator that I'm pretty much done is when the water runs out. So I like to just do that all over my head. It's pretty easy, not, you know, too complicated, and it's kind of therapeutic if you ask me. So I would have a pretty good playlist going and just pamper and give your hair some TLC.
OKae music on the track.
Homage got the vibes,
Alright, so these are my rinsed out results. Now my front areas are like my super duper problem areas, but as you can tell, like the back is pretty well defined. Like I said, this is no product, just me simply rinsing it out. And then this is my little super duper trouble area, but it's really starting to grow in pretty good. So, you know, just gradually have this trimmed off, but it looks and feels really, really good. So now I'm going to do me a little braid out, and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. And that is going to be my tell all to tell you that when you deep condition really good, your braid outs or twist outs will look bomb. So watch this. And bam, this is my braid out. This is exactly how I love it. Big and voluminous. This is first day hair, and I did pick out my hair to the max. So from here, it's going to get bigger. It feels amazing, very soft to touch, and it's moisturized. And I only used 2 products for this combo, and it was a leave-in curl cream and a foaming mousse. My hair isn't dried out, so this is what I mean by if your braid out or twist out turns out bomb after you deep condition, you pretty much know it did its job. You know, aside from my products that I used was pretty moisturizing itself, but this is usually my indicator that my deep condition routine was a success. Let me know in the comment section down below if you guys are going to be using steam or trying out this Q Redew Hair Steamer, and I'll talk to you guys later in the next video. Bye.